Assalamu alaikum students, hope so you are fine. Today we are discussing about the second chapter of physics from class 9th, which is about kinematics. Here we discuss conceptual questions. The first one is about the kind of motion. अब आपने बिग व्हील और राइडर का मोशन बताना है अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंडीशन. बिग व्हील इज रोटेटरी मोशन, द मोशन ऑफ बिग व्हील, वाइल द मोशन ऑफ राइडर इज सर्कुलर. बिग व्हील रोटेट कर रहा है अबाउट इट्स एक्सिस और राइडर का जो मोशन है वो सर्कुलर पाथ में है, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ इन सर्कुलर मोशन. द सेकेंड वन इज़ a boy move for some time give to situation in which displacement is zero but the distance covered is not zero, both having the same magnitude, that's why displacement will be zero but not distance is not zero. Basically displacement is the shortest length of a path or from A to B or B to A in the same magnitude, that's why it may be zero but distance is not zero. The next one is stone tied to a steering is wheeling in circle, what is direction of velocity. अब एक आपने स्टोन को टाई अप किया हुआ है, दैट्स मीन कि इट मूव्स इन अ सर्कुलर पाथ और जो फोर्स उनको कीप इट अप कर रही है, दैट्स वाई दिस फोर्स इज नोन एज सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स. When a stone moves in a circular path, the direction of velocity is always tangent to the circle. Tangent is basically a line that is drawn from the circumference of a circle which touch at least one point of the circle that make the perpendicular to the direction. Or this force keeps the object moving in a circle. अब ये आपको डायग्राम के साथ बता रहा है कि एक सर्कुलर पाथ में अगर आप स्टोन को टाई अप करके सर्कुलर पाथ में मूव कर रहा है तो आप उसकी वेलोसिटी की डायरेक्शन अलोंग द टेंजेंट होगी. टेंजेंट ड्रॉ किया हुआ है और इसमें बताया हुआ है ऑब्जेक्ट मूविंग इन अ सर्कुलर पाथ के. द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ पॉसिबल टू एक्सेलरेट एन ऑब्जेक्ट विदाउट स्पीडिंग इट अप एंड स्लो डाउन. येस, इट इज़ पॉसिबल. हाउ इज़ इट पॉसिबल? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, when an object moves in a circular path, the object has acceleration due to change in direction. In this case, the object move in a constant speed, its speed does not change. Basically, acceleration जो है वो equal होती है change in velocity with the unit of time. Time के साथ velocity में change आना. But there is no change in the speed. It depends upon the change of velocity. Next one is car move towards right have direction of acceleration towards left. Yes, car moving towards right have direction of acceleration towards left. How? It can be possible कि अगर आपकी कार की डायरेक्शन है towards the right but acceleration और velocity same है तो it might be कि car is in motion and continuously moving, acceleration will be zero. Next step, which control the car can produce acceleration or deceleration. There are the two main basic controller in the car. First one is accelerator, which increase the acceleration, while for deceleration we use brake. When the brake apply in the car, it will decrease the speed. When press so brake produce deceleration in the car. These are the two main components in a car that can cause acceleration as well as deceleration. About the two stones 10 kg and 1 kg are dropped from the 1 kilometer height taller than the heaviest stone will hit the ground with greater velocity. That means कि जिसका mass और weight ज़्यादा होगा obviously वो वाला सबसे पहले जाके hit करेगा. But if neglected the air resistance, both stone will reach the ground at the same time. अगर आप air pressure को neglect करोगे तो both having reach at the same time. Next one is about a ball is dropped from rest, another is thrown with velocity 5 meter per second. यहाँ पे अब आपको बताते हैं कि both are moving under the force of gravity. Gravity की value 10 meter per second. It depends on the value of gravity. There is force of attraction. Both balls have a same acceleration because they are independent of their masses. The next is about the graph. Motorcyclist is uniform in speed because it cover equal distance in equal interval of time. That's mean कि आपको ग्राफ यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड या कांस्टेंट स्पीड बता रहा है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.